Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving through the neighborhood of Meadowbrook. So we are in Meadowbrook now and we're just going to take a quick tour. Now Meadowbrook is largely a residential area, but you have the Meadowbrook High School, which is located in it, and you have a health center. I guess places that you would find in a residential area. Now, Meadowbrook, straight ahead, that hill is, a subscriber had told us in a previous video, that is the hill that you find Smoky Vale on, because and then behind us, if we're going in the other direction, that's Red Hills. So straight ahead is either Red Hills or the Smoky Vale Hill area. Okay, on the right now is the Meadowbrook Preparatory School. And when we say preparatory school, that means it's a private school. And when we say primary, that means it's a public school. And in Jamaica, you don't really say public school, you say government school. Okay, so on the right now is the Meadowbrook High School, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica. Very prestigious school. And like most of the schools in Jamaica, they are affiliated with a church. The church probably started the school a couple of years ago. And the Methodist school, though Meadowbrook High School is associated with the Methodist Church. And some of the top schools in Jamaica are affiliated with churches or were started by a church. Like the Campion College is affiliated with the Catholic Church. Immaculate Conception High School is affiliated with the Roman Catholic Church. Alright, this road seems to be a dead end.